All right, Robert, here we are. We got a pitch shot we've been working on onto the green on a slight downhill. One thing that's important to notice here, and always check when you're approaching your golf ball, is the lie. If you see here, we're in Texas with some Bermuda. You can see it's really grainy here. Grain's growing dead into us, and we can kind of tell just by looking how the grass is moving. Unfortunately, you can't touch the grass and brush it like that, but we can see that. So building on what we talked about, before, if we got that leading edge going in first, that club would want to tend to stick. We would chunk these shots. So this is where using less wrist hinge, really working the body, keeping the club shallow will help us, okay? We should be able to utilize the bounce and really get that club just to kind of slide through the grain as opposed to dig into it. So same thing here, visualize where you'd like this ball to land, how hard you're gonna hit it, see it rolling out to the finish, and we'll hit a couple shots here. What are you gonna do here first with this one?
I'm gonna open the face slightly and then grip the club. That way I have a neutral grip with an open club face. Maybe make it a little weaker by putting it in my left palm a little bit. But again, maintaining, having not a lot of hinge, having more body rotation. That way I can have a better consistent bottom with the golf club.
Okay, perfect. Why don't you go ahead and try and execute that for me? Okay, we got a little hingy on that one. Didn't get the club into the ground at all. So again, nice and wide, just keep the club moving. Very good. Now, I know it's not probably the right shot shape here, but what would you change to make the shot come out a little bit lower with regards to what we did over on the chipping area?
Maybe a little more draw pattern, a little bit more in, out, just to get the ball to come out lower and the face staying, or the ball staying on the face a little bit longer.
Okay, let's try one of those. Okay. Again, our leading edge kind of got in there. We dug a little bit into that grain. A little less wrist hinge. Get that body moving. Club nice and wide.